Hi, welcome to Cloverleaf Way here in beautiful Monrovia, and my name is Carmine Sabatella. I am an interior and landscape designer, and this is my latest project that I just put into escrow. So this home is a true mid-century, built in 1959. It was in the same family for over 45 years, and I did a complete renovation from top to bottom. Let's go check it out. I wanted the dining room to be at the front of the house because this is where you get all of the spectacular views. And also, I really wanted to hone in on Moroccan elements to blend with the mid-century look. And we went with these vintage pieces that I had rewired, just like the chandelier here in the dining room. Mid-century really works well when you think less is more. So I wanted to go with this hand-woven rug underneath the dining set. Overall, it's elegant yet practical. Here we are in the living room, which is my favorite spot of the home. It really is the center of the property. The fireplace that I installed is an original Melm fireplace. And so I went with this beautiful avocado green. And then it's a nice space to add airy furniture. So we went with this kind of oatmeal woven couch, and then I went with these beautiful custom wood chairs. So to me, this keeps it feeling really airy and open, and it blends really well with that open concept. I wanted to go with this beautiful, delicious, deep chocolate brown kitchen. I went with the high gloss finish on the cabinets. These are all custom cabinet doors. We wanted to use the custom peg knobs and then also the chevron pulls for the cabinet drawers. And then I also created and installed a brand new window. This allows you to, again, enjoy these beautiful views from the kitchen. Something that a lot of people don't know about me is that I am a sucker for a great vintage wallpaper, which is why I decided to go with this deep chocolate geometric print to do the backdrop of the primary bed. And again, this really lends to that mid-century feel. They used a lot of geometric patterns. Of course, back in the day, wallpaper was everywhere. And I thought, what better way to bring that nostalgic feel back to the home? Here we are outside on the upper deck, and this is just a real extension of your entertainment living space from the interior. You have so many vignettes out here. I really love the fact that you've got a seating area right outside of the open floor plan. You have this upper level here, which is outdoor dining. Fantastic, you can enjoy the views when you're entertaining. And then you can go right up along this walkway, and there's a beautiful seating area at the top. Coming here every day at the end of your workday is going to feel like you're on vacation every time you come home. Well, that wraps up the tour. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did, and we will see you at the next property.
If you can't get enough of these fabulous homes and designs, then you gotta like and subscribe, because we could all use a little more fabulous in our lives, right?